In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how to record calls on WhatsApp. This can be incredibly useful for saving important conversations, such as interviews, business discussions, or verbal agreements that may be needed for future reference or clarification. Here's how to do it step by step. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. In the search bar or list, look for and tap on Phone. On the Phone Settings page, scroll down to find the Call section. Tap on Call Recording. Now, simply enable the call recording feature by toggling the switch on. Once this is turned on, any incoming or outgoing calls made through supported apps, such as WhatsApp, will be recorded automatically. The recordings will be saved directly to the Notes app on your iPhone for easy access and organization. And that's it. Now you know how to easily record WhatsApp calls on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tech tips.